In this video, we're gonna go over how you can secure the bag by taking advantage of some silly internet trends. In this one, we're gonna be taking advantage of the whole Area 51 raid meme fiasco and making some money off of it. But for the 3 people watching this video who don't know what I'm talking about, basically like a few weeks ago, maybe even a month ago, somebody started an event on Facebook for September 20th on which they said, let's raid Area 51. I'm sure there are tens and tens of millions of people who are in on the joke, who know what's going on, which makes it a pretty big deal and opens up a small window of opportunity for people who have entrepreneur written in their Instagram bio. So riding internet trends to make money has been going on for years, and it can be a really good idea for people who are looking to start making money online, because you can kind of ride your first trend, come up on some money, and then use that money to build something online that's a little bit more sustainable than just riding trends. This example is about the birds aren't real Instagram shop. But again, somebody with entrepreneur written in their Instagram bio came along, saw an opportunity, and they started selling merch based off of this little theory. We're gonna sell some merch.